This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cancel Audible Auto Renewal. To begin, simply navigate to the Audible website using your preferred web browser, either on a computer or a mobile device. You will then need to log in with your existing account credentials, as the mobile app does not provide the complete cancellation options. This ensures you can access all necessary account management features. Once you are successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page, where you will find your account name displayed. Click on this name, and a drop-down menu will appear with various selections. From this list, carefully choose Account Details. This action will guide you to a dedicated page containing all your current membership information and settings. On your Account Details page, scan for the crucial Cancel Membership link. It is typically positioned on the left side of the screen or perhaps directly beneath your membership overview. Clicking this link is the next step to end your auto renewal. Audible might present you with some offers or prompts to reconsider at this point, but simply follow through to continue your cancellation. As you move through the process, simply decline any special offers Audible presents to try and retain your membership. You will then be asked to select a reason for your cancellation from a given list, which helps them understand customer feedback. Keep clicking the Continue Canceling button on successive screens until you finally see a clear confirmation message that your membership has been successfully terminated. This ensures the process is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.